what should you do first for your care homes to get more inquiries? Facebook ads or Google ads? Well, I'm going to tell you on this video what you should be doing first and what you should be succeeding at first and aiming to succeed at first. And the answer is Google ads. And why? Well, mainly it's because families, when using Google, are showing intent. They are actively looking for care homes in your catchment area, and therefore that's why you should have ads that reach those people who are actively searching. It's called intent. So here are the kind of searches that people make when searching for care homes. And what we do know, it's quite a big number, this is that 94% of families go online during the course of looking for a care home. Again, and the Google, I want to give you clarity here, is that Google Ads are the engine for making sure that your care home ads are seen when people are searching actively online. These are kind of ads, for example. To be making sure I'm clear in understanding, helping you understand the benefits of Google Ads is that you essentially can be seen top of the page on Google within 10 days, setting everything up and getting your ads set up correctly. And also you can track everything. That means that you can track from click to website visit to whether or not that family member makes an inquiry. And therefore, just another insight I wanted to give you is 50% of care home groups use Google Ads at the moment. A sizable number. And what we also know is that if you're doing Google Ads, you can get anywhere from £170 to £1,200 ad spend per inquiry, certified inquiry, and that's a care inquiry, not, for example, a job inquiry. I want to share with you a bit of data just so you're clear as to this. It's not just doing, it's actually results that you can get. Is that a care home in Norwich, we're averaging 6 inquiries per month on a 1,300 to 1,500 ad spends per month. 6 inquiries per month. And when it comes to an 8 care home group, again, we're using Google Ads successfully, they were getting a 12.5 to 1 or 1 to 12.5 ROI on their ad spend. So that meant that for every 1,000 they were spending, they were getting 12,000 in return. And what's that return? It means in revenue for a care home resident. So those are the numbers that are achievable by Google Ads. Now, just to make sure I understand, I've said Google. Why is Google is the preferred #1 priority to really succeed at? Is because Facebook ads is people have less intent. You're reaching people who are not actively searching. In fact, when you're doing Facebook ads for your care home, those ads will be interrupting prospective families having fun time on their mobile phones. So it's a very different background to Facebook ads, a very different context to Facebook ads compared to people showing intent on Google Ads. So therefore, to look at it positively, if you want to succeed at Facebook ads, you must think about how you can grab the attention of families, individuals, when they are having fun on their phone, scrolling through Facebook. To be clear, people aren't searching on Facebook. They go to Google to Facebook to search. Now, again, looking at it positively, when you're doing Facebook ads, you can get leads from private families within 8 hours from setting up and launching the ads. So it's actually, in fact, the turnaround when it comes to the logistics of setting up is actually quicker on Facebook ads than it is at Google. What you do know, remember I showed you before, 50% of care home groups are doing Google ads for their care homes right now. But I'm pretty certain that no other care providers in your catchment area will be doing Facebook ads. So therefore you are able to reach an audience that other care homes in your catchment area are probably not reaching. So why are they not doing Facebook ads? I'll come to that in a moment. Again, the beauty of Facebook ads is that you can literally reach tens of thousands of families in your catchment area. So again, not only inquiry generation, but in terms of awareness and making sure families and communities within your catchment area know about the wonderful things your care homes are doing, Facebook ads is a great way to reach a huge number of people. For 12 months over, for one care home in the Greater Manchester area, they reached 450,000 people in 12 months using Facebook ads. So you can reach a large amount of people, more so than you will reach actually via Google ads. They work in the sense that you will get more leads. I'll come to this in a moment. But, and this is probably the biggest but of the lot, is that more work is required, and I'll come to that in a moment. More work is required on those leads that you generate, because what Facebook ads gets you is leads. Yeah, so that's name, email address of families who are interested in your care home, and these are different from Google inbound inquiries. That's for someone going from a Google ad to your website and looking at your website and going, this looks great, and then phoning you, emailing you, or downloading a brochure or a contact form, a submission. So they are inbound inquiries, and Facebook ads are leads. They are people expressing an interest, but not an inbound inquiry with more intent. So yes, we will get the name, email and phone number, and just as a bit of logistics, it's best to use something called Facebook lead forms. But Facebook ads do require a whole lot more work. Now, I know of care home groups that they have a system whereby they're running, and this is a group, they're running Facebook ads for all of their care homes, 14, 15 of their care homes, and any leads that come in via Facebook ads, they have a third-party inquiry answering system whereby those leads are immediately phoned. So there's immediate follow-up on those leads that come in via Facebook. And by this way, you're able to ask qualifications to gauge intent from leads, e.g., who they're looking for care for, and what kind of care is that they're looking for. But as I said, this is where the work comes in, because you must email, phone and text these families a number of times to actually speak to them, because remember, they are leads who've expressed an interest. They aren't an inbound inquiry as such. And if you do this properly, you'll find that 20 to 50% of those Facebook leads are genuine, i.e. they are genuinely interested in care of some kind for their elderly relative. Now that means 70 to 50% of them are not are not leads that are genuine. So there's a lot of follow-up of inquiries that are not authentic. So that certainly is something you really have to bear in mind, and when running Facebook ads, and have systems in place to be able to take that into account. But just to give you some positives, this is one care home. They ran their data from January to June. Cost per lead was £13 to £15, 178 leads. Of those 178, 120 were spoken to, and this is over 6 months, so you can see it's a lot. And in fact, those that 120 that were actually spoken to, 41 of them were actually handed to the care home to follow up, do their own follow-up with. And they got 2 admissions from that. But again, you have to think about an admission from a family admission that you would otherwise not have got, and that's the key here. These are not recommendations or referrals from from your network. These are leads from families that you would have otherwise not have got that lead. Two admissions, of course, are 6 months, and again, a resident might be worth anywhere between 50 to 150,000 in terms of lifetime value, in terms of lifetime revenue, in terms of fees. So you have to make a judgment as to whether that ROI is in your favour. So and that is for prospective admissions from those Facebook ads. So those are the numbers. So you can see, they certainly work in the sense of getting you leads and a genuine, authentic leads, what we call qualified leads, and then in this case, a genuine certified admissions. So I hope that's helped. So coming back to that question, what should I do first for my care home to get more inquiries, Facebook ads or Google ads? The answer is Google ads, for the reasons I have given on this video. So I hope that helps. My name's Adam of Springup PR. We help care homes get more inquiries via PR and marketing. And if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and you won't miss any videos like it.